Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Mike here. Well, the mower's broke. I think it is a tension spring, but I'm not sure. It runs, so I know it's not the main drive. So that's good. Last time we broke all the belts and it wouldn't go forward or backwards. So the drive belt's good. I looked at the blade belt, the serpentine belt that's on there. It doesn't look like it's frayed or anything, so I think it's a tension spring. But hey, I'm glad you guys are here. Had a slow start, and hopefully Terry doesn't put my bloopers in this video, but she probably will, to make sure everybody knows I screwed up. And remember, when you put a trailer on a ball hitch, make sure that it is locked and secured before you drive something up on it. So anyway, so we're going to take the mower down, drop it off, have them fix it. But before we do that, we got some chores we got to do. So let's get busy and take care of the chickens, the rabbits, and the quail, and start our day. All right, here we go. All right, let's get the quail taken care of this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any more over here? Any more underneath there? There's 6. Oh, here's another one. There's 7. 7 eggs. Oh, 8. Got 8 eggs this morning. Hey guys, those are empty. 8 eggs. Oh, there's 9 eggs. We got 9 eggs this morning. Let's get these filled up. We'll get these filled up here. Oh, Terry gave them some chicken scratch instead of what we normally give them. All right. Got to give them some (22% protein mix. We use Meat Bird. It absolutely works for our quail. They get nice, big, and fat. Put that on there. Man, we have a serious fly problem here. Oh my gosh. So we got those done. There are flies everywhere. There you go, guys. Here's your second one. There you go. They got plenty of water. See what these roosters have. They have plenty of food. And they got plenty of water. Because it gets hot. It gets really hot. Ooh, this thing just broke. There we go. So we got 9 eggs. We get this about every other day. The other ones lay on the opposite day. So quail are done. That's as much as it takes to take care of quail. Give them food, give them water, collect the eggs, move on. So let's go feed the rabbits. Before we leave the rabbits, there's Rachel. I know Jovita, our friend Jovita, she loves Rachel. So there she is. She's a little bit heavier in the midsection right now, so hopefully she'll kit here pretty soon. She's getting that big waddle around her neck, and then she's been pulling a little bit of hair, but not a lot, because she's thinned out because of the summer, so she's already shedded. So there she is. Hi, Rachel. Hey, Mama. All right, their chickens are getting restless. All right, so we're over here at the chicken pen. I weed eated this area. It was getting high. You guys ready? Come on, mamas. Come on, guys. Go do chicken things. Go do chicken things. I have got to weed eat Batman's pen. It's getting bad. All right, so they're done. So there's the coyote, and that happened on Monday, and it's already just scant hair and bones. So somebody dragged it over here because it was farther out. So that's why the buzzards were here. All right, one less predator on the homestead, and it's feeding the food chain out there. One last thing I want to talk about, and it's kind of creeping me out. Last night, Teddy, FDR's son, our second rooster, is kind of skittish around FDR because FDR lately has been putting him in his place, and he actually hurt him. So he doesn't want to go in at night. So Terry lets all the chickens in, and then Teddy, getting my roosters mixed up because they're crowing over here, would come up here and sit on that top bar. So she would come out, get him by his legs and put him inside the pen because the automatic chicken door was already closed. Okay. So last night she comes out here and she's up here trying to get him, and I guess she puts her hand here. All of a sudden a gopher snake, rat snake, is laying along these electric wires going up the board, and it raised up, and she goes, "Oh, hi, Mr. Snake." And he was about a 4, almost 5 foot snake. And unlike me, who would have defecated in my pants, peed my pants, screamed like a girl, and be running back to the house to get Terry, Terry just picks him up and walks him out there and puts him in the tall grass. So if you know anything about snakes, the littlest bit of warmth, especially at night, and I've seen this in Arizona where somebody left an extension cord plugged in and it was outside curled up, and an employee of mine reached down to get it, and there was a rattlesnake wrapped up in it because they get that little bit of surge, and that's all they really need to get through the cold nights. So, of course, I'm glad I didn't find it because everybody would have seen what a chicken I am with snakes. So she took it down, she got Teddy, and everything was in there. Man, I guess it's because Terry, when she was little, she had a big 6-7 foot king snake as a pet in an aquarium and used to feed it mice and all kinds of stuff. But she ain't afraid of nothing. She ain't scared of nothing. But I am. So guys, I'm glad you came along. We're going to get that mower to the dealer and have it repaired so I can catch up with the mowing here. I moved the trailers so I could take the brush hog through there and get that area mowed down. So when I go and pick up the mower, I can come back and I can put the trailers where they're supposed to be and it's all mowed. But it's not going to get down as low as the zero turn does, but at least it'll get that unsightly look done away with. And when we do that, probably won't mow until we get back from Freedom Weekend, because we're leaving on the 3rd. Again, the 3rd is Terry's birthday, July 3rd. So we're going to be going to Memphis, She wants to go to Beale Street, so we're going to take her to Beale Street and check out all the clubs that's there. She really wants to go to BB King's. And then we're going to go to Tim's house and have a great Freedom weekend. Look forward to seeing some of the videos, probably limited videos, because it's invite only and it's kind of a private event for 4th of July. And it goes now to different homesteads or channels to host it each year. And this year Tim's got it. So anyway, guys, thanks for being here. Remember, be kind to one another, help somebody in need, and always, always thank a vet. Now, this vet is going to go take his mower to get to the doctor to get fixed. All right, guys, we love you. God bless you. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
After it, we packed our bags, found a little land with a humble flag. The Oklahoma skies where we set down roots with 2 dogs, 1 cat, and some chicken coops.